Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this series of lectures, we are going to solve Python programs. So all these programs are as per JNTUK R19, so Python Programming Lab syllabus. In that, the first question is, so write a program that asks the user for weight in kilograms and convert it to pounds. There are 2.2 pounds in kilograms. That means, so what is the problem definition? What is the problem? The problem is you are going to read one number, one floating number from keyboard, and that is the value of kilogram. Now we are going to convert that kilogram into pounds. So for this they are giving the formula. So per 1 kilogram is equals to 2.2 pounds. That means if I enter 1 as the input, what is the output? The output is 2.2. If I enter 2, what is the output? 2.2 into 2. If I enter 10, then the output is 2.2 into 10. Okay, I hope you understand the problem. You are giving the input, that is in the form of kilograms. You are going to print the equivalent in pounds. The weight. Now we are going to print the equivalent weight in pounds. Now we see solution. So this is the first program. So I can explain each function in this program. The first function is input. The input function is used to read the values from the keyboard. So for example, I am using input, enter your name. Enter your name. So what is the output? This message is printed on monitor. Enter your name, and cursor is waiting here to read the value. So that means it is similar to scanf %d ampersand n. This is C. In C++, C in n. Okay, so how we can read the values from the keyboard means by using input function. So input, enter weight in kilograms. What is the output? It prints enter weight in kilograms. Column. Now I am going to give the input. For example, I give 25.1 kg. So 25.1 kg. But here, whatever you are reading from the keyboard in Python, that is in string format. Whatever you are reading, that is in the string format. That means if I enter 10, the 10 is in the string format. If I enter 11.2, that is in the string format. If I enter ABC, that is in the string format. So everything whatever you are entered from the keyboard, that is in the string format. So now you can convert the string into float or integers. I hope you all know that the 10 is integer, so 11.2 is float, and ABC is a string. Now here my intention is I am going to read the value that is in the form of float. So I convert the number into float. That means 25.1 now becomes float. Kilograms equals to 25.1. So what is the next step? You are going to convert the kilograms into pounds. So that means pounds equals to 2.2 into kilograms. They are given the formula. So 2.2 into kilograms, that means pounds equals to, now it calculates pounds. So pounds equals to 2.2 into kilogram, that means 2.2 into 25.1. The result is this 55.22. This is the output. Now we are going to print this output. So how we can print the output in C? By using printf. Printf function. So how we can print the output in C++ by using cout. How we can print the output in Python means simply by using print statement. So print, here you are going to give the message. This message is printed on monitor. That means what is the message? Weight in pounds. So after that, comma, you are going to give the values. So for example, n equals to 10. How we can print in the C? Printf percentage d comma n. Okay, for example, n value is 10. N value is 10. How we can print? Printf in double quotation, n value is percentage d comma n. Now it prints n value is 10 as an output. And similarly here, it prints weight in pounds on monitor. Comma, after this is the variable. What is the variable? Pounds. So pounds variable contains this number. That means so 55.22000006. So this is the output. In this program, you are going to learn what is the purpose of input function, what is the purpose of float, and what is the purpose of print function. So input is used to read the value from the keyboard. So float function is convert the string into float value. So print function is used to display the message on console.
So now we are going to see the execution of the program. So this is program for conversion of kilograms into pounds. To execute the program, you can press F5 or you can use run and press run module. So enter weight in kilograms. I enter 25.1. Output is 55.22